Hi sir, this is Karthikeyan. I'm from Krishnagiri, Tamil Nadu. I'm an aspiring student of Aspira Institute in Bangalore. Now I completed the course more or less. I have done my main project, which is called as Event Hub. Let's walk through on this. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank my mentors, youth mentor Akhilesh sir and Vijay sir, to guiding my masterpiece app. So my app is about event planning, which is named as Event Hub. This app is totally designed to simplify the event planning process. We can create our own plan, or with the help of organizers, we can create our plan there. The problem statement is one of my friends and family crew faced this problem, and I also faced this frustration while during my sister's wedding. So I started doing on this project. So there are a lot of 60 plus screens I did. Here we can like in this project. We will assign catering and decorations, entertainment, and all those features will be there. And I did dog theme and light theme. Challenges are first of all, my first challenge is I have to create a user-friendly platform, and which simplifies the event planning app more powerful and personalized. And then my design process are I follow design methodology, like empathize, which contains some feedbacks from my friends and family. Project timelines are I took 9 weeks to done this project. Like they are facing, one of my friends are facing a lot of frustrations during planning their event. Solutions are well prepared organizers and vendors will be there, and weather also will be there. Budget friendly and backup plans will be also there in my app. User journey in real time, in real world. We will start with budgeting our planning, budgeting our event. We will do checklist, and we will go for a venue selection, and we will pay advance and all, and we will send invitations to guests and vendors, and we will confirm the suppliers and vendors, and finally we will do the payment settlement. So these are all the touch points. They are finding venue locations are too much like touch points. Empathize. My target audience are bride and grooms who are going to be married, and then professional event planners, and then family crews who are willing to do the birthday events and like puberty functions like and then corporate event organizers who are doing hosting like the things, and millennials and Gen Z people, they are age groups. This is most of my target audience. And competitive analysis. And I went to competitive analysis. Even pride and joy, wedding wise, are my direct competitors. My word is my indirect. And bright story, Airbnb are my potential competitors. After customizing my competitors, I went to Play Store to gather some pain points and frustrations of users. So gather these all reviews, and then I start after this hypothesis. I created interview questions for my target audience, and I did interviews up to 5 people. So with that interview data, I created personas. These two are common personas of them, and then with that data, I did empathy mapping. These are says and things, does, feels are, and then I did ideation workshop with that user story with my friends, and then with that data and features, I created that user flow. There are explore, search, and create event. My events are in bottom neighbor. So with there are 2 categories in explore page: vendors and organizers. With the help of organizers, we can go planning for our event with the help of them. Without the help of them, we will create our event by our own by clicking vendors categories, book venue, and create plan, and we will put the event details, and we will do advance payment, and we can also invite our people like our friends in that app. Then I went to wireframe. I did paper sketching, and then I done some prototype process, and then I did mid fidelity. There are 60 plus screens in mid fidelity, and I went to design process like design system. I used Lex and Deca font, which will be more luxury, and color is like royal purple, which indicates royalty. And iconography, I used huge icons, and the bit systems are 4 columns and 16 borders, 8 gutters. UI kits are I did some component works in login and sign up pages. It will be more colorful, and I went to high fidelity. There are 5 onboarding screens where I can explain how this app works. And then with the help of mobile number, I go to login or sign up. In that explore page, we'll start planning our event. Like if you click on a venue page, we'll go to this page. We can check availability here. After that availability, we can book organizer and we can fill our event details, and then we can check for weather, and then the weather page will suggest some venues here, so we can go through that venue, and then and also we can customize our like our food and whatever it may be, food and entertainment we can see, and then we can review our plan. If you don't want anything, we can delete here, and then we will do online payments like advance payment, and then also we can invite our people or our friends, and then finally we can view our plan. This is my first flow. With the help of organizers, sorry, with the help of venue, we will go start our planning. This is second flow. With the help of venue, we will start planning this flow. As I mark that flow, here we will create our own plan. There we will there the organizers will plan for us. In search page, we will search for some events or any. We will be categorized on popular events will be there, and current trends and games will be there. In create page, the same row from explore. We can create the event with the help of organizer, or else we can create the event from vendors. Events. There will be upcoming and past events. So in our past events, we can just view the details, what are all there. In upcoming events, we will be having our community page. Like we can chat with our organizers or any vendors. If you want any changes or sudden change in plan means we can like chat with them. Usability testing. After doing usability testing, I did this iteration works. Like I come and click my date to check availability. So all the availability dates are disabled here after changing. So I did this iteration work after usability testing. So yeah, that's it. That's all about my project.